How's it going then, everyone? So, can do something a little bit different today. Can have a little wander around the old American car show. So let's go and have a little look. We'll have a look around the car park as well. Sometimes there's some nice cars and stuff in there. Let's see what's what. Let's go. That's a good start. Nice car coming out.
Would be that no, that is not very heavy. No. Yes. You're right, you're right.
So got there sort of a bit late in the day, but we got to see a few, didn't we? Nice to have a little wander, see what's in there. But I think quite a few are already gone. But let's say we saw a few, some quite nice cars there. Plenty of food stalls with all the old American stuff and that. So pretty good, I reckon it was a good day out. Shame we couldn't got there a little bit earlier, but at least you get to see a few. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.